Lot number 2040A. Here we have ourselves a John Deere GT225 with a 42 convertible deck and 2 bagger. We're tearing this machine down into parts. 218-844-4968. The hood's already been sold off the machine. The engine does smoke, so we'll be tearing the motor down. The motor is a Kohler 15 horse CV15S. I'll start it up and show you that it does smoke, and I'll drive it to show you that the transmission is good. I'll try to do it and videotape at the same time. Just bear with me. You can't smell it, but now you can start to see it start to smoke here once it gets warm. Thanks for stopping by.